walking street. Inside the walking street, we meet our friend Nordi. So we
You
have
can show what you order.
okay.
Yes. Ah, this one.
Special. Okay, wala sibuyas. No onion.
This is shawarma without onion. And you can say yes.
Yes, but you don't have only onion. This is 70 pesos. This is beef shawarma.
Beef shawarma, yes.
And this one is beef shawarma special.
Special.
Yeah, it's more meat.
Ah, more meat. I will take a look price here. This is shawarma near in Walking Street. Near Baccarat bar, Genesis bar.
So we finished already eat here in shawarma restaurant. I recommend it already because it's good.
Do you like this?
Yes, I like it.
No, we can ask Georgi. Georgi, what you think about this shawarma?
Yes, it's okay.
It's okay, good? Okay. Tyra, what? Not working already? Name Jessa, you know Jessa? Ah, she not working already. Okay.